Kajingja do no ya kawe ke mensimbrio bade wan syak perthai lingba ka kemi ke bapun ba khai I kala penlong ya kajingja tai ha ka dorba sunrai ka ying dorba thau an ke jala ha ka sing hat majai ka khat ndai trik unai lor a ja fulai balon ra dau no thau an ke not slong ba adelbert norum kate jingja do no I khlung badang sukhan na ka kemi jung I kala ja ka sing ya kop khwai do khai ke rawan kablolong ha khan ru trik unai lor a ja fulai ha kawe kapung jong kasnong pam pernai West Castles District kabla keno batang na kadau jong ke jingle songsit kirawan ha sulok kali marjan bakate kapung kalawan ra ke jing sakut ki kali kabla ne de ki lai kenta kumbala keno bat kablawan ra ru ke jing ja sosi ha ka ba kawe ke kali kit nong pang kabathumbu bon benpoi sejaka sumari we long kemi ban likha khlung ban laha bak apot sakut kali bat khai lai khun khlem yo bat ya kam sim jong I ha ka de bat kani ka mat kusembut menteri rangba uba preston ten song ulapan jing bet na lam phang ka ying dorba thau ain bo un sabu da jing tho sakami ba adel bat wa thering e ha ka de bat ka mat da ka bolong bakum kini ki jai tamasa om deisu badang ailat ama ki kam songsit pai ba kilong ki ding bengkiang ha ki imlang salang jong ki bapun.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to raise a matter of grave importance on the rules 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Sir, I will not make speech, but I'll try to put a question to the present day of the government. The matter relates to the shocking death of an infant baby on date 16/9/2023, who had to be delivered without medical assistance inside a passenger vehicle by a pregnant mother, as their vehicle was unfortunately stuck in a 3-hour-long traffic jam caused by double-side parking along the road and unruly crowd not giving way to traffic and unregulated fishing competition organized at Pampernai Lake, West Castles. Even as district administration was found guilty of negligence in issuing permission without taking responsibility in maintaining law and order, and district police personnel seen being engaged in prize distribution while noticeable absent in controlling crowd and vehicle from obstructing the traffic flow on the busy Shillong-Nongstoin highway alongside the fishing competition venue. Sir, it's really a matter of grave concern. I'm raising this issue, which has been featured as a prominent front page news item on a number of local daily newspapers, including Maupor and Nongsain Hima, in yesterday's edition, 18 September 2023. The incident has also been covered by electronic media, and videos are online on YouTube with thousands of viewers. Mr. Speaker, sir, I understand that Rule 49A does not allow me to make a speech, and so as a responsible legislator, I only request for a statement from the concerned minister in charge on a few important aspects. A, what action is being taken against the DC of West Castles for granting permission to the fishing competition without carrying out responsibility to ensure law and order, and against the SP of West Castles for allowing police personnel to be engaged by organizer in prize distribution while being absent from traffic management and crowd control. B, whether future events of fishing competition, not just in West Castles, but in other districts as well. I may request the attention of the House. This is very important and very vital for the state at large. Can be put on hold till such time that a proper regulation can be made by legislation, so that no more untoward incident should occur that put a danger to the health and safety of general public. C. Is government apprised of the adverse impact of fishing competition held almost every Saturday on the weekly earning of rural households who are being addictively attracted to prize money of around 50 lakhs in total each event, while having to shell out 2,000 to 3,000 rupees as an, and of which perhaps zero amount goes towards government revenue. So I won't take much of everyone's time. So I wish that I will end up with just very few words. I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
Will the minister be able to answer the question, or he may he may lay a statement in the House during the session?
Mr. Speaker, sir, since you just admitted just now, zero notice, so if I may be allowed, I will lay the statement tomorrow, sir.